past few weeks I was traveling alone with my dad, which is the most amount of time we spent one-on-one, like honestly ever. I know my time with my parents is really limited, and it makes me really sad to think about that parents in general, or not in general, I've been lucky enough to have parents that work so hard for 18 years and put aside so many of their desires and like dreams and aspirations for me and my siblings. And I was thinking about that, about how they give up so much for us. But now that I'm older, I can see myself getting so caught up in my own life, pretending that I don't have time for my parents as much. And it makes me sad, the idea of them being lonely without me or my siblings, because we're all transfixed with our own futures. So this time with my dad was really special to me, or I wanted it to be very special to me. But the first couple days I thought I was gonna fucking kill myself, because it turns out my dad is like annoying sometimes. But like he always wants to talk to people even though we're in a foreign language and his English is really bad. Like he wants to make, I don't know, man. But and so for the first couple days I just felt really disappointed, because I wanted to have this like really bonding experience with him, but instead I was so annoyed half of the time, and it just made me really sad, because I felt like even though I love my dad, I wasn't sure if I liked him as a person. And I was talking to my brother about this actually, and he told me that even though my dad can be hard to be around sometimes, I'm very lucky to have someone that loves me so much and is always there for me. I'm really grateful, and I just hope I can make him happy.
Fuck you.
Our love was lost.
Hey,
Where'd you go? Well, now we found.
Oh yeah.
Where'd you go?
Doing a happy dance. Oh my god, this shit's so good. Doing a happy dance. Doing a happy dance. Yeah.
Where'd you go? What'd you do? How the hell you made me fall in love with you? And then you leave, now you're gone. All I got is this damn song, so I can't feel, but I can't touch. You said my love was a bit too much. Broke my heart, can't find no crush, so why don't you come on back home? Hey, I'm a fucking workaholic with a passion in my heart, treating rapping as an art, which I have to be a part of. I just copped a new car to hear it start up. Try to do the right thing and please come on. All I want to know is where the fuck did you have to go? I've been waiting on you, baby. Why don't you leave and come on home? I can't be mad, I'm living my dream, going all around the globe. No, you said you think you love me, you need to let me know. So I've been fucking all these hoes, and I've been blowing all this cash, cause baby this just the beginning, and I'ma make all of it back. Where'd you go? What'd you do? How the hell you made me fall in love with you? And then you leave, now you're gone. All I got is this damn song, so I can't feel, but I can't touch. You said my love was a bit too much. Broke my heart, can't find no crush, so why don't you come on back? Hey, it's all good, everybody trying to eat tonight, trying to go to sleep, having good dreams tonight. You go home, it might get better. All I know, it don't last forever, so take it while you gotta try to get a little more. They say I'm getting better than I ever been before, well that's for sure. Tell them what I do, rap keep me fed like a spoon getting soup. I've been out here on the road, and now they missing me at home. All these ex-girls that I used to know are hitting up my phone, but I ain't here. I guess you can't call back. Sex
drugs and rock and roll. I think I'll take all that.
Where'd you go? What'd you do? How the hell you made me fall in love with you? And then you leave, now you're gone. All I got is this damn song, so I can feel, but I can't touch. You said my love was a bit too much. Broke my heart, can't find no crush, so why don't you come on back home?
Yeah. And it gets no better than this, Yeah, it gets no better than this. Yeah, it gets no better, yeah, it gets no better, yeah, it gets no better, this shit forever. Get no better, get no better, yeah, get no better, yeah, this shit forever. Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum. You can cut it here and then we're done.